WhatsApp is an incredible messaging application with a user base of over 400 million in India. But the sad thing is, 99% of people who use it probably don't even take the advantage of using half of its functionality. And this video aims to let you know guys, the other half, just that. Here is a trick which you may find useful if you are a WhatsApp web user. This trick allows you to read messages as they come even without getting a blue tick to the sender, and that too when your read receipts option is on. Open your WhatsApp web window and then open a notepad window and adjust it so that you can easily view the messages coming at the back. Click on the notepad file and keep your mouse cursor there. This is to ensure that you are engaged in notepad and computer thinks that you are working on a different window. After following these steps, you will be able to read all the messages sent to you even without letting them know that you have already read it. But you can perform this activity for one user at a time, and if you want to read other people's messages, then you might need to switch the chat windows. WhatsApp allows you to back up your chat conversations and media using a cloud storage service so that you can restore the content again if you lose your device or switch to a new one. You can set this feature up so it backs up automatically every day, week or month. All you need to do is to go to settings, chats, chat backup. Now you can select your backup frequency and WhatsApp will start backing up. For say you talk to a few people a lot and most of the people you don't. So for these few people you can add a chat shortcut. What it does, it sets up like an icon on your home screen, and in terms of customization you can treat it as a standalone application. You can change the position of the icon by simply drag and drop over the home screen, and of course as a progression you can add all your favorites as a little icons on the home screen and call them as your favorites. All you need to do is to open the particular chat window and click on add shortcut. So WhatsApp has given the option to star a message. In most of your conversation, if you find something relevant or useful, you can always keep those messages for future reference as a bookmark. All you need to do is to hold up the message by a tap and select star. You can open all your start messages by tapping the start messages option on the vertical three dots available on the top right. This will show you all the start messages, and tap on them will take you back to the specific conversation. If you have sent a message and would like to know it has been read or not and when, you can simply tap the message and click on the info icon, which will tell you exactly when it was delivered and when was it read. For group chat, you can check the status of who all in the group has read your message by tapping the message preceded by info, and you can see the list of people who have read your message in the read by details. I think we always share the pain of sending something to a bunch of people without creating and adding them to a new group. And the answer to this is broadcast. You can send a message to several of your contacts at once by adding them in broadcast list. Broadcast list is a saved list of contacts that can repeatedly be sent and broadcast your message to. What it allows you to send a kind of message that would be sent and the people will receive it as a direct message. So the people you can contact will feel like they have been individually messaged. Let me know guys if you want tons of more videos like this. With that being said, thanks for watching and do subscribe.